This video tutorial I will explain value of methods of timestamp class. Here I have defined the class timestamp demo. Here I have created local date time object. Then I am calling value of method of timestamp class and passing local date time object. This method returns timestamp object. Here I am calling value of method of timestamp class which accept string. This method returns timestamp object. You can find source code for each example in my blog, and you can find a playlist for each topic in this playlist link. From this video description, you can get these links. Please check the description of this video.